How to fix copying too slow on Windows 10 or 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can boost up your file transfer speed on your Windows. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest videos. So the very first thing that you want to do is go ahead and search services on your search bar. Once you do that, just press enter and all of these services will load up right here. Now here you will have to find optimized drive. So right here on optimized drive, you can right click on it, click on properties, and once you get here, select your startup type as automatic and click on OK. Once you do that, right click on it again to start this service and it will start optimizing your drives. So this is the first method. So the second method is to open up features, turn on features and features on or off on your Windows. Once you click on it, make sure to turn this remote differential compression API support. Make sure to deselect this, click on OK. So once you do this, the third method is to run your command prompt. So you just have to run your terminal from here. Right click on your Windows icon and click on terminal admin. Click on yes. Now here I'm just gonna paste a command, so you can just pause the video to type it as it is, and after doing this you can press enter. Once you do this, your file transferring speed should boost up. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.